Hey, everybody, welcome back to FSP Forex Stock Predictions. Hope you're all having a great day. I am the Vortex Trader, and today we're on gold. We got a couple of order blocks. Can you spot them? Let's check them out. All right, so we are on the 4-hour time frame. We can see that our current all-time low, right, for this month at least, was around the 1680 price point. Since then, it seems that we are currently trying to make some higher highs, which is nice to see because everything was falling, right? The entire market across most sectors were falling. So it's nice to see some positive action. It's nice to see that the bulls are back, at least for the time being, right? So what am I looking for, right? I got two possible order block zones right here with two different entries, okay? Now, let's see how I came to those. All right, so you see this red zone right here? Yes? This red zone represents previous resistance. Look at all these wicks trying to get past this red zone. Look at this. Look at all these candles trying, and failing. This is why I've put a couple of arrows here, right? Look at every time we try to get to the zone to push through it, the bear said, nope, not today. We tried again. Look at this massive bullish engulfing candle. Still couldn't get through it. The bear said, nope, not today, and pushed us even lower. This is why I now have a circle, and the arrow is yellow, not red, because does this mean we're going to finally break through it this time, right? We can see we got back into it, right? But this current 4-hour candle, and there are still 2 hours and 19 minutes left before this bearish candle closes, we could not break through it. We could not do it, right? Okay, so that's fine. But now we have two possible entries, right, which we are going to take if price comes back and hits the middle of this order block zone. Now, remember how I like to trade order blocks. I will link the order block tutorial in the right hand corner of your screen. Check it out. You can see there are many videos in this channel where I explain how I like to trade these, right? I take the most previous bearish candle, right? I put a circle around it, which was this one, all right? I take it from bottom wick to top wick, I extend it out, and this is our order block zone. Okay, now if price does retrace to the 50% mark, which is the middle of this zone, I will be opening up a long position targeting, yes, up here, the 1770 price point, 1771, right, which coincides with this previous structure right here. Now, I will tell you the problem with the setup, all right? It's this resistance right above us. This resistance is very strong resistance. You can see it's been rejected many times, right? But now my reason is, well, we do have an ascending trend line, which price is bouncing off of. So if this order block zone does not hold, we have another one down here, right? Which may hold. Now, gold does not always like to respect trend lines. And I've said it numerous times, I do not trade trend lines solely by themselves as confluence. We need other bits of data. We need other bits of information to confirm to us that this could be a possible long entry. So if price does fail through this order block zone, I do have this one right here, which depending on the timeline might push past this trend line. But that's okay, because what I am noticing is that the bulls are currently trying to come back. And if we break this resistance and flip it to support, well, then I think we will see some nice bullish price action, at least to this previous target up here at 1771. So this is why it is dangerous to trade such long entries when we are so close to previous zones where price has been respecting and bouncing off of, right? These bears are out to take us in this red zone right here, right? This is a dangerous area, but we do have an order block, and we got two. We have our ascending trend line. We have price making higher highs and higher lows, taking out previous areas, right, as we go up. So this is why I have enough confluence for me to risk a small lot size, right, and to see whether I can catch the movement that will break this red zone right here and take us upwards. So that is my reasoning, right, for this setup. Now, because I would not rate this particular setup 10 out of 10, or I wouldn't grade it as an A class setup because of this red zone right above us. It's dangerous. This is why, if I would grade it according to my list of rules and criteria that I have done for myself when trading these order blocks, I would class it as maybe a grade C setup, which is why my risk would be smaller, right? My RR would be small. I would be trading this very conservatively, right? I'm not going to be risking 5% of my account on this setup right here because the resistance zone above is still too strong. Okay, if we saw a clear break, then I would risk a bit more. But we have not broken this yet, right? We still don't know whether price is going to try again and fail and come back down. In which case, this whole zone, right, would be invalidated and we would just be ranging. We don't know what's going to happen. This is why I risk appropriately per my setup, per the position that I am looking at. Okay, guys, so let's see how this trade plays out. Please remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, ding, 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 so you can be notified when we release more content. Leave a comment for us in the comment section, and be sure to check out our weekly trading breakdown posted on Sundays. This is where I go over all my previous positions for the past week, and this one will surely be in it, so you can come back in and check whether this trade worked out or not. Okay, guys, so thank you very much again for watching, and I will be seeing you all in the next one. See you later.